Alright, YouTube, this is your boy Da-viruz System, and here again we are to do the chiri chara chara on how to install Ultimate POS stock management system models. And then on this episode we will be looking at how to install the Woocommerce model, which we'll be installing today. We learned how to install the essential model, and then we also learned how to install the super admin model. So this episode we're going to look at how to install the Woocommerce model. So stay tuned with me whilst we go through the steps. So at this point I'm going to open my model folder again, and then we will extract the Woocommerce model onto our models folder, which is found on our root folder of Ultimate POS. So I'll open my model folder on my root folder of Ultimate, and then I'll also open my essential model, and then I will open my Woocommerce folder. Then I'll copy my Woocommerce and then I'll paste it there too as well. So chiri chara chara, so it's done. And then what I need to do is I'll log out first and then log in to confirm that there are no errors before I start with my installation. So log in again. Chiri chara chara is opening. Let's give it some few seconds. Okay, so we are done with that. So Woocommerce 2 has picked here, and then we need to install Woocommerce to also start working too as well. So what we need to do is that, what is the folder name inside our model folder, which is Woocommerce. So we type Woocommerce/install. So we have Woocommerce then /install. Then we hit on the install button. Let's give it some few seconds, and then our installation will be done shortly. All right, so our model is done installing, and we have Woocommerce model installed successfully. So we have finished installing our Woocommerce model, which we can also use to as well. So if I drop down, then we can sync to a Woocommerce project on WordPress, and then we can also configure it to as well. So we go to API settings, and then we can set out our API, and then we are good to go. So this is Woocommerce model version 1.1, which is currently the latest version to as well. So we can set our API and then others and so forth and so on, and we decide which particular products are to be synced into our Woocommerce model as well. So stay tuned with the Da-viruz System on this channel, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notification. And please do visit my blog da-viruzsystem.com for free scripts which are available online for free everywhere online. They are also found on my blog, which you can use them at your fingertips to test to see how they work before you buy from the original vendors at Code Canyon. So stay tuned with the Da-viruz System till my next episode coming on your way on how to set up manufacturing model.